everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Mayak Eggs or Mayak Tamago in Japanese. It's a Korean style marinated eggs. I don't usually go online and look into trends because I'm a busy mom, but yesterday I happened to find Mayak egg and I noticed that it went viral in Korea 4 years ago and last year in Japan. I thought it's a great idea to share with you because I know some of you are busy like me. This recipe is easy, but I will share with you the recipe in the easiest way. So I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. You can buy all the condiments at the store. I'm lazy, no chopping required. Tap each egg with a spoon to make cracks in the bottom of the shell. You can use an egg hole puncher to make soft-boiled eggs cook for 7 minutes. Doneness of the egg is up to you. You can cook more if you want. Drain and place them in water to cool. Then peel. I'm using long onion, regular onion is okay. I bought at the store, it's already chopped. 1 tablespoon of toasted white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of dried chili slices, 1 teaspoon of garlic chips, 3 tablespoons of sugar, soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and water. Mix well. Place the eggs in the seasoning. Put in the fridge for about 6 hours. If you soak the eggs too long, they become salty. I think it becomes too salty after 12 hours. And now it's done! Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can check out my ramen egg recipe. The link to the recipe is in the description box, so please check it out. 卵は動画で説明した通り好きな加減に茹でてください。おいしい。本当にご飯が進む。すごく美味しいご飯と一緒に。もうご飯まで美味しいです。すごく美味しいのでぜひ作ってみてください。
いただきます。ぜひ皆さんも作ってみてください。絶対ね。作るほどはないので、作りたい人は作ってみてください。
作るほどでもないとおかしくない。遠慮してない。
チャンネル登録お願いします。ボタンを押してね。100万人お願いします。バイバイ。卵の黄身食べば。
はい、じゃあ小学校の宿題やろう。